All right, let's talk about LinkedIn. They've just dropped a massive update to their search, and honestly, it's designed to fix one of the biggest headaches we've all had. Actually finding the right person on there.
You know the feeling, right? You jump on LinkedIn, you need to find someone, and it feels less like a professional search and more like, well, keyword roulette. You're just throwing job titles at the wall, hoping one of them sticks.
It's a story we've all lived. You have this perfect person in your head, but then you get sucked into this maze of filters. You're clicking and clicking, and somehow the perfect person still manages to slip right through the cracks. It's just so inefficient.
So this whole frustrating experience, we're calling it the keyword roulette problem. And it's because for years, LinkedIn search has been super, super literal. It only rewards you if you type in the exact right keywords.
And this really shows the difference. The old way? Just a mess of clunky filters, guessing at keywords, and, well, missed connections. But the new way? It's a total game changer. We're talking natural language, contextual understanding, and spot-on matches. This is a huge, fundamental shift.
Okay, so let's get into the solution. Let's talk about LinkedIn's new AI search.
And look, this is not just some minor update. It's a complete redesign, and it's built to actually understand you. You can literally ask it questions like you would a person, and the AI gets the context. It finds you need without you having to play that guessing game with keywords anymore. It's amazing.
Now, this is what I find so cool. The change in the basic logic. The old search was basically a command. Find these exact words, period. But the new AI, it's more like a partner. It's trying to understand what I'm trying to accomplish. We're moving from just giving instructions to communicating our intent.
So, how's it do that? Well, you give it a normal, plain language request, and the AI translates that into this super smart query. It's looking at skills, seniority, industry, even how you might be connected to someone. The result? It's not just more accurate, it's way more relevant.
All right, so the tech is cool, for sure. But the real question is, why does this matter for you? What's in it for your daily work? Why should you actually be excited about this?
This is where the rubber meets the road. I mean, think of this as a set of new professional superpowers. Seriously, you can find those super niche experts way faster. You can pinpoint investors in your network with actual intelligence. You can get to the real decision makers without all the guesswork. It can even uncover opportunities you had no idea were even out there.
Okay, so the benefits are clear, but how do you actually put this thing to work? Let's break it down.
And honestly, it couldn't be simpler. Step 1. Just phrase your search like you're asking a coworker a question. Step 2. Instead of just a job title, describe the problem you're trying to solve. And step 3. Just sit back and let the AI do its thing, translating your intent into a list of spot-on results.
Now, for the important detail, who gets to use this right now? Okay, so it's currently rolling out to LinkedIn Premium members in the US. But hey, if that's not you, don't worry. A global rollout is definitely in the works.
Let's zoom out for a second, because this is way more than just a new feature. This really signals a massive shift in how we should think about professional networking itself.
And this quote just nails it. For so long, LinkedIn has kind of felt like this dusty old warehouse of digital resumes, right? But with this change, it's transforming into something dynamic, a real tool for making connections, for solving problems, for actually finding new opportunities.
So I want to leave you with a question to chew on. With a tool this powerful, a tool that understands not just what you type, but what you mean, who is that one person, that one game-changing connection you've been missing all this time? Because now, you might finally be able to find them.